Chemical properties of non-metal we are studying. In this video we are going to take the reaction of metals with alkali. We have already discussed that whenever metal react with acid produces hydrogen gas. Now we have taken alkali. Actually all the metals are not cannot react with alkali, but some metals just like zinc and aluminum react with alkali. Not all alkali, a strong alkali like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Means metals like zinc and zinc and aluminum react with a strong alkali, sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. We have taken sodium hydroxide to produce their respective salt, and hydrogen gas evolve in each case. In case of zinc plus NaOH, sodium zincate. Keep in mind the formula and also memorize the name of this formula. It is very important to you. Sodium zincate NaZnO2, and in case of aluminum, sodium aluminate NaAlO2. Keep in mind, memorize the formula and their name. Sodium zincate and sodium aluminate. These two salts are formed. These salts are water soluble, dissolve and gas evolve. Now we will take a metal displacement reaction, but before describing metal displacement reaction, we have to make a glance on metal activity series. Here some metals are arranged in decreasing order of their reactivity from top to bottom. The most reactive metal is placed at the top and least at the bottom. Means potassium is more reactive than sodium is more reactive than calcium is more reactive than magnesium is more reactive than aluminum is more reactive than zinc, and so on. Here one of the non-metal, that is hydrogen, is also placed in the reactivity series. The metal which are above hydrogen in the activity series, above hydrogen, can react with water or acid to produce hydrogen gas. But metals below hydrogen cannot react with acid, or cannot displace hydrogen from acid. You have already seen that copper has not reacted with HCl. Yeah. Now we will see the displacement reaction. In this reaction, we will see that a more active metal displaces a less active metal from its water solution. Again, a more active metal displaces a less active metal from its water solution. Now we will write the equation and then describe it. But before it, I am going to erase it. Metal displacement reaction. A more active metal displaces a less active metal from its salt solution. Suppose copper sulfate is a salt, its solution will be blue color. If we treat this copper solution with magnesium, you know that from metal activity series, magnesium is above copper. Means magnesium is more reactive than copper, hence magnesium will displace the copper and occupy its space sitting here and making MgSO4. Means magnesium has displaced copper from a copper sulfate solution and copper is separated. The same thing happens when zinc is treated with copper sulfate solution. Zinc is above copper, copper is below, means zinc is more reactive than copper, hence zinc can displace copper from copper sulfate solution and occupy its place forming zinc sulfate. Now aluminium and zinc, you see that aluminium is above zinc, zinc is below aluminium, means aluminium is more active than zinc. If aluminium is treated with zinc sulfate solution, it will displace zinc from zinc sulfate forming zinc another, and aluminium sulfate is formed which is soluble in water. Next, see iron and copper. Copper sulfate. Iron is above copper, means iron is more reactive than copper. When iron is treated with copper sulfate solution, this is blue color solution, this iron will displace copper and occupy its place. Forming iron sulfate and copper is displaced, separated. If we treat copper with iron sulfate, copper is below iron, means copper is less reactive than iron. So copper cannot displace iron from iron sulfate and there will be no reaction. Again, copper is less reactive. See in activity series, copper is less reactive than iron. Iron is above, copper is below. Since copper is less reactive, therefore it cannot displace iron, hence there will be no reaction. Now we will study chemical properties of non-metal in next video on next day. But before going to stop it, I want to say you that like my video, subscribe the channel, continue on the video, complete your work. That's all.